unique experience to be a faculty member in a program that you then get to be a part of and teach. Because I can literally say to a student, I sat in your shoes, right? I've been in the same classroom or I took the same class. And it brings this kind of relatability to that. I think I instantly also believe you can get through this. If I got through this, you can get through this.
And you absolutely did that for me during my program, because I know that there were moments of, as is natural with a program, self-doubt and, you have this, you're wobbling, and that person who's like, you can do this, you're going to get through this, and like you have this within you. And just something as simple as that was reassuring and sort of helped me get to this like next step, next place within the program as I was working my way through it.
Thesis is that pivotal kind of transitional point for a terminal degree student when you're going from academic work into your own like research agenda and trying to figure out your way in that. And so I remember some of those early conversations, like throwing things against the wall, like what's going to stick. But for me, the fun part is to get to watch you kind of go down these paths and find your passion and your interest, and your pulling on some of your past experiences in exhibition and storytelling work and deep passion for telling the stories of untold women and that kind of stuff was really it's just a privilege to get to sit along the line of thesis and to get to do it with you was so much fun. Because as you said, we were growing our own kind of professional and personal relationship in that and getting to know each other. So we spend so much time just talking about the work that you're doing.
Through the entirety of the project, you were there supporting me, cheering me on, giving me deadlines that I needed to meet. But even when I was finally on campus installing my exhibition, you were there. You didn't have to be there, but you were there giving of your time. And I think what I say to people when I talk about it, because I still talk about it, is that it felt so unique and so special that here I had this person who I had this deep connection with, who was a professor, who also felt like a mentor and a friend, but also who just genuinely wanted me to succeed.
So the unique thing about the University of Baltimore is that we really do believe in and continue to support working professionals and non-traditional students like yourself. And it's such a great place. We think back at like 100 years of doing that, and I think easily 100 years more of doing the exact same thing is what we need to be doing and continue to do. And it's the thing that makes us unique. It's a space where people are welcome at all spectrums of their life and in their career, making career changes or trying to enter a new field. And we really get to do such amazing things because the connections we can build and the ability to see the value in non-traditional kind of work and taking things in new and unexpected directions.
Absolutely. And thinking about how the University of Baltimore serves this role within society that almost no other university, in particular in this region, is serving. This population deserves to have this educational opportunity, and the University of Baltimore is there to meet that need.